Second part of modelling a clamp. So I've already inserted the picture and resized it to what I need. And this top part here is a little bit more interesting with regards to the clamp, and probably really makes it actually look like a dinosaur. So same sort of thing, I'm in the sketch, I'll delete parts that I don't need. Though I know it's still got to function as a clamp. I might just leave that lucky band bit because this little part here could be interesting as to making the actual clamp. So over to sketch. Because don't really like what that's doing. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. And to address this part here, I'm just going to delete it. Delete for now. Always come back to it later. So for the sake it works, trim entities, trim this part, just do this spline. And then we're going to get rid of this last part, delete, check that it rebuilds, rebuild, there we have our dinosaur type shape mouth. We go back to our assembly, rebuild, yes. There we have our clamp, starting to look like a dinosaur mouth. So I've had to delete some of the mates because we've changed it. That's pretty quick. We do this mate. And as you can see, it's starting to look more and more like a dinosaur mouth.